Hey everyone, Armin Vardanyan here. 2023 has been a huge year for Angular, with lots of amazing stuff coming our way. And I'm happy to say that it's been a very big year for me too, because I spent it writing a book about all these new cool features. Modern Angular is the Angular developer's handbook for all the things new in the framework we love, like server-side rendering, standalone, signals, of course, and so much more. If you work with Angular in general, or you learn about it, or you wonder if you want to switch to it, or are you stuck on an older version, then this book is for you. Learn about exciting new concepts and also learn how to migrate your existing projects to those new features. The book is now available, so I'll be very happy if you grab yourself a copy.